boaters and wannabe boaters. Today we're showcasing this 290 Sea Race Sundancer here at South Mountain Yachts. She's a 2007, very well powered with twin MerCruiser 5.0 MPI engines, Bravo 3 drives, and less than 300 hours on her. Now Deja Vu is loaded with features. She's got a generator, air conditioning, will sleep 5 in comfort down below. She's got tank level indicators, battery charger, inverter, and she also, for year-round use, she has a full camper back enclosure. Come with me on this tour. We're located here in Newport Beach, California. Check out the cliffs, Back Bay, Newport Beach, California. This is South Mountain Yachts showcasing this vessel for sale. So come with me. Here we have this 2007 290 Sea Race Sundancer, getting an all-around view of the vessel. We see we have a nice plow anchor and a spotlight. This gives us a nice view of the port side. With stern in, it's a challenge to get a full shot, but here we are. We're starting forward port side. We can see we've got a nice rail right there, our LLI, ladies like it feature. Just have a nice sun pad made and put it out there on that deck. Sea Race changed their style recently. You notice we have the flatter windshield with A-pillars right there. Coming down along the side, we see we've got our stainless steel port lights, and on that foredeck we also have skylights right there. As we circle around, we see we've got that forward facing arch and our Raymarine radar dome right up there. Coming down along the side, we have our 290 Sundancer badge, our fuel fills right there, and our air vents here. We have a molded in swim platform right here. Here we are, getting a starboard view on this 290 Sea Race Sundancer. We see we've got that forward facing radar arch, our 290 badge right there, and we have our aft bimini set up. Now there is a full enclosure for the boat, so you can use it year round. Coming down to the aft, here at the transom, we see we've got that molded in swim platform. We've got a grab rail with a boarding ladder right there and a ski tow eye. Stepping aboard Deja Vu, we see we've got grab rail right here and trunk storage also. As we enter the vessel through this starboard door, we see we have a transom shower. Immediately to the left, we have our transom bench seat right there. And here's a great little feature when you need a little more seating, just put the cup holders back in. We've got cocktail table right here, which is also removable. Down along the port side, we've got twin seating, cup holders, and storage underneath. That's where our battery switches are located. Circling around, this gives us a view as if we were underway. And then right to starboard, we have this double wide helm seat with the thigh rise bolster. Here at the helm, we have our dual binnacle throttles right there. Classic Sea Ray leather and wood tilt steering wheel. Touch plate electronics. The burled wood dash. We have our Raymarine C80 and a Lowrance fish finder right here. Up above, we have our gauges. They're blue light backlit. We've got our 4-in-1 gauge, our tack, speedometer, starboard tack, starboard 4-in-1 gauge. There's our fuel tank. Everything is nice, right in the line of sight. Got a low rake on the windshield for good visibility. Access to the foredeck is nice and easy. We've got a step right here, step out, and then we've got the windlass right there. Circling back, this gives us a cockpit overview right here. And now for quick engine inspection, with the press of a button, we have a nice hydraulic engine hatch right there. If you notice, we don't even have to move the table. This gives us an overview of our MerCruiser 5-liter MPI engines. They are freshwater cooled. They have the heat exchanger right there to protect your engine and give it long life. We see we've got 3 batteries off to one side right there. And then right in front of us, we have our Kohler generator right there. After a quick inspection, we can just hit the button and down the hatch goes. From here, let's go inside. We enter the cabin on this 290 Sea Ray Sundancer through this port side door. Sea Ray's gotten a little creative here. We have dual panels right there. So when we want air and ventilation in the cabin, we can use this screen door. We enter the cabin, down a step, and one more over the transom. This gives us an overview of the air-conditioned interior. As we step inside, we immediately notice Sea Ray's big on safety and comfort. We've got a heavy-duty grab rail right there. Here we have our power panel, our generator start, master ignition switches right there, along with a Clarion stereo with a 6-stack CD changer. This boat has been upgraded. We've got the Xantrex inverter right there and our battery charger monitor there. Down below, we have our tank monitor system, freshwater, gray water, black water right there. Sea Ray's gotten a little more creative. We do have storage space right here under the step. This boat utilizes every space possible. And behind these cherry wood cabinet doors, we see we've got upper storage, middle storage, lower storage. This acts as a nice little cocktail table. We currently have this set up as a dinette. It converts to a sleeper also. You see we have our mahogany table right there. Coming down along the side, we have our sofa here. Sea Ray has lined the whole vessel with a nice marine grade vinyl. If you notice, we have a little rack for storage there and dual stainless steel port lights. Moving forward, more storage above. It's a little bit of a hanging locker, about shirt size, jacket size, and you've got more storage below. The forward section of this vessel converts. We currently have it set up as a sofa for entertaining. We have storage below. It easily converts into a bed. The bed easily sets up. Just grab this handle, lift it up, and then drop it down. We now have a V-berth, over 7 feet long, double wide, can easily sleep 2, 3 if you want to get cozy. If you notice up above, we've got gunnel storage, good sized mirror. Behind that is the anchor locker, an overhead hatch with a sunshade and a screen. Coming down along the side, we see more gunnel storage. Another little area, we have our DVD player in there. TV, which swivels so you can easily watch it from bed or while you're sitting here. Coming down along the side, we have our galley. Neat little area here. We've got a microwave, upper storage, lower cabinets. Here we have our air conditioning control with a 12-volt outlet so we can keep our cell phones plugged in and charged. Have a Clarion countertop, single burner alcohol electric stove, and then below we've got a refrigerator. Moving aft, we've got an LLI, ladies like it feature. It's a fully lined fiberglass head. This way you can tell everybody just to wipe it down easily when they're finished. Got a pull-out RV style shower. And so we can check out and see just how good we look. We've got a full-length mirror right there. As we move aft, we have a double-wide mid-berth, full beam, great place to sleep, nice and private, great place for storage. Deja Vu is neat, clean, odor-free, low hours, less than 400 hours. Classic Sea Ray interior, rich appointments. Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain. Here we are, Basin Marine, Newport Beach, California. One of our premier shipyards. We're doing a quick hanging haul on Deja Vu to inspect the bottom. Quick look at the drives, and back in we'll go. Here we are, starting off forward starboard. Coming down along the starboard side, we're checking out the bottom. See, the bottom paint's in good condition. She's just been freshly cleaned. And then here we are, checking out the Bravo 3 drives right here. We have new zincs on this. Decent spin on that starboard dual prop right there. And then here we have the port side right here. No dents, dings, and again, nice and tight in there. Got our trim tabs right here, and then coming down along the port side, we've got our pickups right there. There's our Sea Ray badge. And here we are, back to the port side bow.